Now we're going to go over the section 0.2 or 4.2 section review. And let's go ahead and just put it in here as we go. So Dalton theorized that atoms are indivisible, but the discovery of subatomic particles changed his theory. Scientists now know that atoms are made up of electrons, which have a negative charge, okay, blank, which are positive charge, and that's going to be protons, and blank, which are neutral, and that's going to be neutrons. The latter two particles are found in the nucleus of the atom. It was blank who discovered the nucleus of the atom. Rutherford. The nucleus, which has a positive charge, occupies a very small volume of the atom. In contrast, the negatively charged electrons occupy most of the volume of the atom. So really, most of the volume is empty space. Let's look at the next question. According to Dalton's atomic theory, atoms are composed of protons, electrons, and neutrons. Okay, that was never true. Atoms are elements, or atoms of elements are electrically neutral. Okay, always true. The mass of an electron is equal to the mass of a neutron. Never true. They're about 2,000 times smaller than that of a neutron. The charge of all protons is the same. That's always true. Okay, it's a +1 for protons. So let's look at the next one. We're going to go here and we're going to read the statement until over here it goes. So a stream of electrons produced at the negatively electrode of a tube containing a gas at low pressure. And we're going to put down A right there, okay, for cathode ray. The central core of an atom, which is composed of protons and neutrons. That is going to be the nucleus, so that'll be B. Negatively charged subatomic particles. That's going to be C right there, electrons. Subatomic particles with no charge. That's going to be D, neutral, for neutrons. And then positively charged subatomic particles are going to be the protons. Okay, let's scroll down. Our next one. Which subatomic particle was found in the nucleus of the atom? Particles. Well, in the nucleus, you have protons and neutrons. Which subatomic particles are charged? Well, protons are negative and electrons are positive. And let's go to the last one. Describe Rutherford's model of the atom, including the location of its protons, neutrons, and electrons, with respect to the nucleus. How does this model explain the deflections of a beam of alpha particles aimed at a sheet of gold foil? Well, first of all, in Rutherford's model, very small nucleus. Okay. Containing protons and electrons. The atom is mostly empty space. And the electrons are in a cloud around the nucleus. That's pretty much what I would think they would be. You could add a few other things, but again, the protons and, excuse me, this is not electrons, this is neutrons, are in the nucleus. The nucleus is very small. The atom is mostly made up of empty space, which the electrons are in a cloud around the nucleus. And we're going to add that makes up most of the volume. Okay, that's it. We've answered all of them. Hopefully you went through this. This is the answer that you got. Hey, and as always, hey, go Mohawks. Nelson out.